Student, as you know, we have started with the topic that is nouns number. Topic number 11 and page number 32. So, today, continuing with that, we are going to start with an exercise number D. So, what we have to do in this exercise? Just look out for that. Rewrite the sentences by changing the highlighted noun into plural form. So, what you have to do? You have to rewrite. Rewrite means the sentence which are given here, you have to just read them and again write them with the plural forms now. So, here the sentence is in singular form. So, you have to make a plural form of the sentence and write the correct answer. Okay. So, here in your textbook, in exercise D, there are 8 sentences given, and in these 8 sentences, the noun in singular is written in a red color. So, a red color printing is there for a noun which is singular, that we have to make into plural. Okay? Remaining sentence you have to write it as it is. So, how you are going to write? I am going to write just answer on the board. You have to write question and answer both in your notebook. Okay? So, in this way you have to complete this exercise in your notebook. And if you want, you can write this exercise in your textbooks also. But because there is very less space between these two sentences, so it might be little difficult for you to write in this answer in this space. So, it's better you have to write it in your notebook, but if you want, you can write answer within this gap under this sentence. Okay, I am going to send you the photocopy for that, and with regard to that, you can see how it is written in the textbook, and you have to write in your notebook. Okay, so just read the first sentences from the exercise D, that is 1. The parrot ate the chili kept on the terrace. So, here a bird, parrot is there and he ate what? Chili. Chili kept on the terrace. So, parrot is a singular. It's a red color word, noun written it as a singular. Parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. And chili. Chili is also in a red color. C-H-I-L-L-I. Chili means one chili. One parrot, one chili. So, it is singular. But we have to change into plural. The parrot becomes parrots. P-A-R-R-O-T-S. And chili is in singular. So, what is the plural for that? That is chilies. C-H-I-L-L-E-S. So, with this plural form, you have to write the answer. See how I am going to write here? That answer you have to write in your notes. Exercise it is D. Okay, number 1. I am going to write answers. All are the answers. Okay, the parrots ate the chilies kept on the terrace. Okay, so what are the plural forms that we have made or changed? That is parrot was singular, we made it plural, parrots and chilies. Okay, remaining sentence you have to write it as it is. Okay, next number 2. The child was happy to meet a new teacher. So, new teacher is there, so child is happy to meet her. So, what is the singular form given here? Teacher. So, teacher plural is teachers. So, we have to write the sentence as it is, but in the end, the teacher, singular form you have to make it in plural and write teachers. The child was happy to meet So which is the plural form, we are going to just underline it. Okay. Next, number third. The mouse ran through the corridor. Mouse means a single mouse ran through a corridor. So mouse plural it is mice. So when we are going to write in plural form, we have to write the mice ran through the corridor. Number third. The mice ran, mouse plural it is mice ran through the corridor. So what is the plural of mouse? It is mice. Third one, fourth one. Read out the sentence. The child complained about the itching tooth. So what is the complaint of the child? He is complaining about the itching tooth, paining tooth. So child is one and tooth is also one, that is singular. But we have to write the plural form. So child, children, tooth is to be written as in the plural form as teeth. So here the children, child, children. The children complained. What did they complain? About their itching tooth is plural, it is teeth. So many teeth together are called as teeth. Okay. So this is the plural form which we have written. Okay. In the sentence number 4, number 5 sentence. Sentence number 5. The farmer went to the market with an ox. Ox is singular, so ox plural it is oxen. So same sentence you have to write with the plural form. So the farmer went. Where did he went? To the market. He went to the market. With whom? With the oxen. First it was one ox, but more than one is going to take, so take oxen. That is plural for ox. Number 6. The woman walked in the garden with the child. So where did the woman walk? In the garden. With whom? With the child. So the singular form here it is given in red color, that word noun, that is woman and child. So woman plural it is women and child is children, as we have written here also. So write the answer here. The woman. See, you have to write the correct spelling. Singular it is woman, but in plural women, man. So remember to write the proper and correct spelling when we are writing your answer. Walk in the garden. In the garden with the child, plural it is children. Child plural form is children. Okay. So what are the changes? Child we have to write children and woman. Next, number 7. The police caught the thief in time. So here police is a person who catches who? The thieves. So police caught the thief in time. So one thief it is there for singular, but if there are more than one thief, we say it as thieves. Okay. So what are the answer? The police caught the thief, we have to write underline thieves. Still we have written for thieves. Number 8. The army marched towards the cantonment. So the army marched towards the army. It is in singular form. You have to write the plural for that. That is the armies. You have to write armies. So see the answer. The armies marched. M-A-R-C-H, marched towards the cantonment. Okay. So army it is going to be singular and armies it is plural. So in this way, all the 8 sentences as answer we have completed. See, just going to read what we have written. Answer for number 1. The parrots. We have to write S for parrots. Ate the chilies came on the terrace. Number 2. The child was happy to meet his new teachers. So teacher is singular teachers. Again we have put S in the plural form. The mice ran through the corridor. Mice we have written mouse, we have written mice as a plural form for mouse. The children complained about their itchy teeth. So child was there, so we have written plural for that. That is children. Tooth we have written teeth as a plural form. The farmer, number 5, sentence number 5. The farmer went to the market with the oxen. The farmer went to the market with the oxen. So the question it was ox, so we have written oxen. Number 6. The woman walked in the garden with the children. So woman, M-A-N, was a singular form, but for that plural we have written woman, W-O-M-E-N. So please be write this spelling properly when you are writing for the plural forms. Okay. With the child we have written children. Number 7. The police caught the thieves in time. So thief we have written thieves. What have we written here? Thieves. Okay. Spelling for that is Thieves. Number 8. The armies marched towards the cantonment. So ARMY, army was singular. For that we have written plural ARMIES. That is armies. Okay. So in this way we have completed our exercise, that is exercise E. And what is there? We have in this sentence by changing the highlighted nouns into plural form. So highlighted nouns were in the red color and that we have changed into plural form and rewrite. Again we have written this sentences. So I hope you have understood this exercise. Do it properly in your textbook and notebook also. Possible you have to write in your textbook, otherwise you can write it in your notebook along with the question and answer. So you can understand the difference between the singular and plural. Okay. So do this exercise properly. Thank you, students.